200 keys. I will try to open 200 keys and let's see what will I get. I don't expect much from 200 keys. Let's freaking see. Ooh! Mortel! Yeah! Ooh! Damn! Juicy Martel! Look at that! 2 Martel right there and Cow Cow. 5 Martel here and Pyrus! I need this Pyrus. I'm not gonna use him. Oh bro, there's not that much. Too many Ragnar and 2 Pyrus, 1 Frederick, 1 Cleopatra, 1 Ishida, and 1 Mulan. Pretty good actually for 200 keys. It's not bad. No, it's not bad bro. Not bad.